click on plus icon, and then the interface show on the front of you, and 16:9 we click on it, and click on media browsers and any pic choose from here, and we choose a background here from which pic I will use on my background, and click on pics, and I have choose this pics from a media browser, and then we click on layers, click on layer, and yes, and media, then we choose background, which one we use for background, and now we choose from here camel backgrounds, and this one is we choose, and now we zoom it with both fingers open, and zoom and full screen. Okay, and now we click on second layer, click on second layer, yes, and now we move downward, downward, and here is blending options, click on blending option, and then this is opacity, we decrease or increase, but we will complete 100 use in this video. Okay, overlay, no, multiple, this one is used for making video multiple. Okay, and now this background pics we want to zoom or zoom out, zoom in, then you click on the first layer, click on first layer, yes, and now pan and zoom, equal sign click, and now we both finger use for zooming it, and we adjust where do you like, and you can adjust it. Okay, and now we capture it, and the camera is available in left side, and click on capture because this is a video, and capture and save, click on capture and save.